one of the very first things you're going to need to do is pull these two pieces of trim. You got to pull the side piece of trim here, which goes all the way across above your glove box, and this piece here. They're secured by a series of pins that push down into the dash. So this is where you really want to use a plastic trim tool. It really is one of the best options. You can either start at the far end or at this end here, get underneath it, gently pry up with your plastic trim tool to pull those pins up and away from the dash, and then just work your way down the trim piece, and they'll just slowly pop out. Now these pins, they look like aluminum pins, stick into these clips. And what very frequently will happen, and as you can see exactly what happened in this case, the clips will pull out too. So I've actually ordered these several times and reordered these clips because they break. I don't know if they're intended to be used more than once or come out more than once, and they very frequently will break. So you can back these back off, insert the clips back into your dash. They insert in and twist to secure, and then these pins will be secure when they go in. It's not a bad idea. I'll have the part number for those little clips in the comments of the video. So once that piece is off, this piece will come off as well. So now it's loose on this side. This side will be loose, and then there's another pin on this side. Again, use your plastic trim tool, get underneath, gently pry up. It is possible to break this trim piece. I've seen it done. Thankfully, I've never broken mine, but I've definitely seen them broken. So you want to pull up and away to get this trim piece out. Yep, and so that one came out as well. So we're good to go.